Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be seeing how many Easter themed fidgets and how many pastel fidgets I have in my collection. So before we get started, like, subscribe, turn on post notifications in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If you guys successfully completed the 5-second challenge, comment down below. If you have any Easter fidgets, what Easter fidget is your favorite, or what is your favorite Easter color, like yellow, orange, green, whatever. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So okay, like I said, I'm gonna see how many Easter themed fidgets, like regular Easter themed fidgets, and I'm doing 3 pastel colors. Well, I guess not really pastel, but like colors that go with Easter, like yellow, like pastel yellow, or I guess not neon yellow, but like a light yellow, green, and orange. So I've done these videos before. So I'm in my closet right now. Sorry for the bad lighting, but I have 2 organizers behind the camera here, and then 4 behind me. So I think I'm going to start with these ones behind the camera, and then I'm going to do these ones. Mini brands don't count, obviously. But yeah, let's get started. First drawer, I've done this video last year as well. But anyway, first drawer is like the mini, like, fidgets. I already see a lot of yellow. Like I said, we're not doing like neon yellow. It's like a light yellow, like this. Like I found a little gummy bear, a little like a little pretzel thing. These like flingy chicks. This thing, and then like a shooting star kind of thing. This little donut, little trinkets. All these, except for these chickens and this bear, are from the Neato Advent calendars. Let's see what else. I'm not going to really count this thing as yellow or green, though, because I get it's like mostly yellow, but I'm still not going to count it. Okay. Spike balls. I found a couple of spike balls. Oh yeah, comment down below what team you're think is going to win. Like the pastel colors or the like regular Easter. I think just the pastel colors are gonna win. Comment down below your favorite type of fidget in your collection, if you have fidgets at home. My favorite are the Orbeez stress balls or the Neatos. I'm gonna do orange while I'm in here as well, because I'm not going back and forth to different drawers. So for orange, I found like this little banana thing and this little lamp kind of thing, suction cup thing. So orange is gonna be here. I have a lot of orange little things. A slinky, a little reindeer, little glasses, and a gingerbread. This money sign fidget spinner. I'm going to do blue as well in here. I don't think I have like regular Easter fidgets in here. But these marble mesh would be perfect for Easter, but I'm not counting that because it has multiple colors. I don't even know where the other one went. Oh, there it is. Oh. Magnetic rings. Did I say I'm doing green too? Yeah, but I'm not going to count these bike chains except for this one for yellow. And then for the magnetic rings, I found green, orange, and yellow. Orange, green. Should I put all the pastels together? Yeah. Whoa. I think I'm gonna put, so instead of doing like individual teams, I'm gonna do individuals, just not multiple. So I'm just gonna have 2 teams, one for like the regular Easter Fidgets, one for like the pastels, or like Easter colored. Okay. Here's another launchy chicken thing, a little gummy bear. These little spike balls. Marble mash. I'm not counting this marble mash. This one's a lighter green than this one. I'm not counting blue. But I'm counting the spike balls. Oh, pink would have been perfect too, but I didn't do those. That. Oh, this green is perfect. This green is perfect. That's all. Yeah, that's all for that drawer. Okay, I found a lot in that drawer. Okay, now the random puzzle fidgets. Okay, I'm not counting this because it has, again, multiple colors. Rubik's cubes. I don't see any. Oh, there's a green little thing right here. I'm going to be counting them. Yeah, comment down below what team you think is going to win. I think the pastels are going to win, but I have this little paw print thing. But I'm not counting it. I'm counting this. Not counting this. Should I count this? Yeah, I'm counting it. There's not much. Ooh, should I count these fidget spinners? Nah, I'm not gonna count them. Oh, this is perfect for yellow. Anyway, sorry guys. I think that's it for that drawer. Let's move on to like the wacky tracks, snakes, tangles, and like the sand fidgets. Banana. And green pepper. This is red, so it obviously doesn't count. It's supposed to be squishy. Uh-oh. But it's not. It's bendy. I'm just gonna put it in there. It was a Swedish fish, but it obviously didn't count. Ooh, orange sand dog. Perfect, actually. I think that might be it for that drawer. Okay, dimples. I don't think any of these will count. Just kidding. These little 2 dimples. These ones. That's it for that drawer. 3D poppets. There's nothing in there. Mini poppets. Oh, there's a lot in here. I'm gonna come back for the regular Easter fidgets. Actually, these look, should I count them? Yeah, I'm gonna count them. Okay, that. These mini guys. Okay. Yeah, obviously the pastels will win. The green, orange, and yellow team. Okay, let's move over to these fidgets. Okay, I did some reorganizing earlier. So, I have like sugar ball textured fidgets in here and PBJs in here. Okay, so a green bat. Okay. These ones don't count. A little, like, green, yellow. Oh, tab of squishies are in here as well. And then a little sploot splat, green and yellow. And heart tabas. Then a green sploot splat. A green PBJ. That is it for that. Orbeez. I see a couple in here. Like this one. This one. This dinosaur. Watermelon, nope. That might be all. I didn't have much in there. Okay. Now for this one. This yellow slug. This green. This is the Neato drawer, by the way. Neato type drawer. These two things. Now there's 2 actual Easter fidgets in here. 4. Which I'll go back to in a second. Neato, that doesn't count. These count. Now this is technically yellow, obviously, but it's a peep, which I'm going to count for an actual Easter fidget, so. Okay, orange. Oh, I didn't even look for orange Orbeez stress balls. Or green. No, or yellow. Okay. I have a couple of yellow. And then, what's the other color? Orange. Orange here. Orange there. Orange everywhere. Orange. Any more Neatos? Yes. Orange. Green, orange, yellow. Okay. Pop tubes. Ooh. This is perfect. This green, yellow, 3 yellows, 3 yellows, 4. Are barely any oranges in here. Like that. Another green one. Okay. That is it for that one. Noodles. Oh, perfect, because I have some pastel ones right here. green, orange, and yellow. Perfect. Another yellow one. This is not even pastel. I'm not counting that one. Not that one either. These ones count though. And none of the sticky ones. Oh boy, mochis. I'm probably not gonna do all of them. This one definitely counts. This one does. I'm gonna save some of the actual Easter ones for when I do the actual Easter one. I know I'm missing a couple, but this is just a speed. So these are some of the mochis I found. Let's find some orange. Ooh, a little fox. This giant bear. Another rubber ducky. This little cheese thing. This thing. I'm gonna stop in that drawer. Now, yeah, this one already won. Squishies. I don't really have a lot in here, so none in there. Okay, Shaggy Fidgets. This green ball. This green ball. These yellow ones are really neon. Then these two orange ones. Okay, water and all these types of fidgets. That's more clear. This water splat ball, nah. Oops. I guess these aren't really pastel. These are more like regular Easter colors, like I said, green, yellow, orange. They don't have to be pastel. I don't really need to. Well, I guess they could be pastel and regular. Yeah. Well, I don't even know, because I'm going to have to put it in the title, and I don't want the title to be that long. Okay. Let's move over to puppets. Oh boy. I'm just going to keep the camera there. Sorry about the bag here. I gotta put something for all my little mini brand plastic balls in, because I have like a million of them. Anyway, puppets. I don't think I have that much in here. This is a perfect one. That's probably the only one in there. Okay, jumbo fidgets. This butter counts, obviously. Comment down below if you guys wanted to see an updated collection tour. Because I haven't done one of those in a long time. I'll probably film that later. Not later. Like, sometime. When I get time. But anyway, this butter squishy. This cheese squishy doesn't really count. That banana back there doesn't count because this is like the shade of yellow. The same shade of yellow. Anyway. Ooh, the shark. I love this one. Probably one of my new favorites. Okay, let's go back around. Okay, I know I don't have any actual Easter fidgets in the first 3 drawers, but I do have a bunny poppet, mini poppet. Okay, that, no, yes. 2 like Pete themed squishies. A check. Oh, another orange like Nito. little chick, and I have an egg. Well, here's another orange thing. I have an egg squish. Here's the shell for the chick. Then here's the banana for this collection. Not this not the what? Okay, this is like a neon orange. I know I have an egg. I don't know where it is though. Here's another orange needle. I know I have an Easter egg fidget in here. What? I thought I had an Easter egg fidget. I know I do. I know I have an Easter egg. I thought I did. I know I did. I don't know where it went. But, trust me, if you guys see my videos, you probably have seen it before. Huh. Okay. I know I have an Easter thing. Pop tubes, no. Mochis, I do have a few of. Because I have some bunny ones in here. Like, I do actually have some actual Easter ones, like an Easter egg. I'm just not going to find all of them. Here's a bunny. A chick. Another bunny. Here's a carrot. Yeah, actual Easter fidgets lost because I have, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 of those. Okay. I know I don't have any other actual Easter fidgets in the other drawers, so I'm not even going to bother to look. So, yeah. So I think the actual Neato fidgets lost, and we all can just say I have the most of these ones. Definitely my favorite from like the Easter ones was the squishies, and my favorite from like these is probably the butter squishy, because I love this one. It's actually my sister. She actually gave it to me because I wanted one. So I'll be right back once I put these away. Then I'll end the video. Alright guys, I'm back. I put everything away, and hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up and comment down below if you guys have any ideas what fidgets I could find for the month May. So, because there's not really a holiday other than Mother's Day, but I don't really have fidgets that go with Mother's Day other than pink. I guess I could do that. But, anyways, I could get going, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.